Among all the digital photography apps out there, one of Lightroom's more unique features is the ability to take a collection of finished images and quickly generate an interactive and elegant web gallery with just a few clicks. Basically, after you're done organizing and developing all of your images, I wanted to show you some of the cool output options you can create in just a couple of minutes. So right now we're looking at something called the Airtight Auto Viewer, and this creates a collection of large previews that you can move through using simple buttons. And the ability to use these buttons and add them to this gallery doesn't take any scripting, any kind of layout, or any kind of coding on your part at all. All you need to do is click a few options and you're off and running. And we also have something called the Airtight Postcard Viewer. And this creates a really interactive way to work with your images online. It creates a nice collection of thumbnails, much the way you might see on a Lightbox. And to look at any of them, all you need to do is simply click the thumbnail and then click again on an empty area to basically zoom back out. And you have control over the number of columns that are used here so that you can maximize the space. And in general, with any of the galleries I'm going to show you here, we're going to take a look a little later on at all the different options for customizing the look of the galleries. But again, it doesn't take hardly any time to build things like this and get them uploaded to your website. We also have an Airtight Simple Viewer, which takes a more traditional approach to thumbnails, organizing them in rows and columns. And here again, we have the ability to define the number of rows and columns, the padding between images, the size of the margins on the images, the colors used for the background, and so on and so forth. So even if you have a large number of images in your collection, basically we can create multiple pages within a single gallery and do this without using any type of third-party applications. Finally, I wanted to show you the Lightroom Flash Gallery option. And here again, we have the ability to create Flash output, and we don't need to use Flash Professional or Dreamweaver to get it done. We can do everything right here inside Lightroom, including create a list of scrolling thumbnails and controls to look through the images and shuttle back and forth. We even have some options to add information in our header, and again, there's no HTML coding or anything like that required. And when you're all done formatting your gallery, you can open up the upload settings and customize this using your website information so that Lightroom can connect to it and upload all of the gallery information and photos that it's created. So it's a really straightforward process, and it's something I think you're really going to enjoy as we move through the training.